Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your retirement checklist with SmartAsset step by step clearly. Visit the SmartAsset website. Locate the retirement section or the retirement calculator tool. Review the resources available regarding retirement planning. Create a free account if you don't have one already. Log into your account to access personalized tools. Explore the retirement checklist provided by SmartAsset. Download the checklist for offline use. Begin filling in your financial information, including savings and estimated expenses. Evaluate your current retirement savings strategies. Consider various retirement accounts and their benefits. Use SmartAsset's retirement calculator to project your future savings. Adjust your inputs in the calculator to see different scenarios. Compare your results with the SmartAsset recommendations. Make note of any gaps in your retirement planning. Consider setting goals based on the information gathered. Research investment options that align with your retirement strategy. Review your progress regularly to stay on track. Consult with a financial advisor if needed for personalized advice. Update your retirement checklist and strategies as your circumstances change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.